right, people, we have changed over to home to the shizzle. And this is what one of my first meals we're gonna be making is a Chipotle lettuce wrap. So it contains milk. Okay. All right, so let's unpack this guy and see what we have.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be
Let's go ahead and break open this bag and see what we're working with here. Right the bag. Open this right up. So we have our lettuce. So we got some cheese. Yep, some queso, fresco crumbles. Of course, this is the cabbage for the lettuce. This is the seasoning, Chipotle seasoning for the meat. Lime. And this is a Chipotle. No, what's it? Chipotle, y'all, sour cream. And last but not least, we have this beautiful. Come out here, buddy. Beautiful. Went ahead and got the red pepper all chopped up, sliced up the lime there, and I got my slaw here I'm going to make here in just a second. And of course our lettuce here. With the meat, I had to put it in the microwave because I had it frozen because I didn't cook it right away, but just being totally transparent, so you guys stay tuned for that. Back over here, we're gonna add some olive oil to a skillet, and this is gonna be for our pork. Pork all up in there. And sure. And you're gonna add this once we get going. Add a little bit now, then add a little bit later. So we can get the meat all separated, so we can go ahead and brown. Yes, sure. All right. Add just a little seasoning. They got seasoning. Actually, they go ahead and add their seasoning. But I'm just putting a little pepper here. I'm not putting any salt. Just a little pepper here. Let's have the Chipotle seasoning. Go ahead and add that. Keep going. Looks good. Smells good. Thought about adding some onion to it, you know, just to give it a little bit more flavor. And I think this should be good. All right, let's go ahead and get this all browned up, and the next thing is just preparing our wrap, our lettuce wrap. Cooking. We're just gonna go ahead and get our coleslaw together. Simple, very simple. Keep it in the bowl here. Keep the coleslaw. Get rid of anything else. Put some more lime on it. There you go. Very simple. I mean, what we do now is just put this guy together. Got your meat here, slaw. I'm gonna throw some cheese on it. Got some sour cream. And just take them and put them together. Spoon probably been better, but we can work this thing out. Work it out. Work it out. Okay. Take coleslaw. Tap it. Tap it. Just tap it off. You could have put this on first or not. Depends on you. Sour cream, the crema, Chipotle. You got your feta cheese on here. Like that. And for me, last but not least, it's a little Monterey. get a little bit more on that side. It is what it is. Because here we are. I mean, it's what it is. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, it's very simple. So you can make within minutes. Yeah. You can use chicken, you can use turkey, you can use beef. How theirs look. It's like a different lettuce, but hey, it's cool. It's all good in the hood. Pick one of these guys up. Okay, it's mobile. It's mobile. Let's taste it. Gotcha. It's really good. You can even add lemon over it as well too. This lemons are pretty firm. I'm sorry, lime. Yeah, it's pretty clean too. Oh, the dirtiest things is that cheese and that sour cream, but hey, other than that, it's pretty good. Gotta hold it sideways so you can see under there. And grab it better. Not bad. I should like it. It feels cleaner. Cleaner. My words out. It feels pretty clean. Clean eating. That's that. Lettuce. Get the right bag, because I want to say lettuce wraps, but technically they are lettuce wraps. Yeah, Chipotle pork lettuce wraps. Actually, I kind of like them. Now that I've eaten a couple of them, I feel them. You know, they're in my belly, and they're not. You know, it doesn't feel like I have to eat anything. Actually, I do. It's pretty cool. You associate taco with some flour tortilla or corn tortilla. Hey, I'm good with this. Actually, it's a really cool, simple recipe. I say scale 5 to 10. Recipe scale, I give it 5. Clean, good. If you don't like pork, of course, use ground turkey, beef, or chicken. I think chicken would be good on this as well too. So. Again, I pray you guys are doing well. Thank you for rocking with your boy. And I'm going to see you beautiful, lovely people next video. And of course, if you're here for the first time, hit the like button. Please subscribe. Join the family. We love to have you. See you next time. Peace.